Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Gautam Hevle and this is Autofly. Today we are going to address 5 things that are important for you before you upgrade or do any kind of aftermarket work to your car. So stick around to the end of the video because you don't want to miss all these 5 important things. We are doing this because a lot of people ask us a lot of questions about aftermarket parts and tuning and doing a lot of work to your car. So we thought we should address these 5 important things that you should know before you tune your car. So let's get right down to it. So number one is plan your upgrades to your car. If budget's not a problem, go all out at one time. That's also great. I mean, of course, you will feel the difference at one time and it's an amazing feeling. But plan everything so that you don't have an issue later on. I personally suggest that you go in steps. So you go stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So you understand how your car is changing over time, because that's also important. You need to get used to your car when you're driving it, etc. So keep that in mind and plan your upgrades accordingly. Number two is another important thing, that is what components to put in. Because there is so much competition, there are so many companies doing this, there are so many people who will suggest a lot of things to you. So do your own research. You need to be sure about what is going into your car, because at the end of the day, you're driving your car, you need to be satisfied with what you're putting into the car and how it drives after that. So drivability, parts you're putting in, be it software, be it hardware, whatever you're doing. Be careful and do your own research so you know what is going in and you're satisfied at the end of the day. In terms of remaps, we can help you because we have a video on stage 1 remaps and we've compared 4 companies, so that's very useful. Go check it out. Number 3, be prepared for things to wear out. So you work on certain aspects of your car. You suppose do a stage 1 remap. Your engine is putting out more power, it's going to affect the rest of the car. Your tires will wear out quicker, your brakes will wear out quicker, because come on, you're going to drive a little faster than how you used to before. Thirdly, the gearbox. Now, if it's manual, you don't have a problem, but generally automatic gearboxes are only designed for certain amounts of power and torque. So be careful, do your own research. For example, in my case, the Octavia, the Skoda Octavia, the Mark 3, Mark 3.5, they have a DQ200 gearbox. This is known for failure. A lot of people say, your gearbox will fail if you increase the power, etc. So there are things you can do to prevent this. For example, I am going to change my transmission fluid every 2 years. So transmission fluid will keep things running smoothly and hopefully it will prevent future failure. But of course, this is speculation. People have told me that this helps, so I'm going to do it. So let me know if you feel the same. Any other remedies or suggestions that you have, please let us know in the comments down below. You can also DM us on Instagram. But yeah, get ready for things to wear out quicker unless you upgrade them as well. There is always an option to upgrade every aspect of your car, but in general, people don't upgrade everything. So just be careful about these factors. 4th, safety. Now safety is really important because people want to make their car look good, they want to increase their performance, but no one thinks of the safety aspect in terms of brakes, tires, suspension. These are just few of the examples. Now brakes are the most important because people increase the performance, it feels good, it accelerates fast, amazing feeling. But what if it doesn't stop? You need to be careful because you're increasing your performance of your car, but you need to make sure that it stops when you want it to. So it's very important to upgrade the brakes as well. Suspension improves stability. So suppose, you'll start cornering quicker, you'll do a lot of other things, because you have a lot of power. But you need to be sure about the safety aspect as well. So keep that in mind when you're upgrading your car. Even body modifications. Sometimes doing weird body modifications actually imbalance the car. So be careful. Number 5 is warranty and insurance. Now, no one talks about this. At least I haven't heard a lot of people talking about this aspect when you're modifying or, upgrading the performance of your car or doing any kind of work on your car. Any work you do which is not sanctioned by the manufacturer will void your warranty. So unless it's authorized, authorized parts, then it's fine. But any aftermarket work you do onto your car, warranty will get void if the manufacturer catches you. So keep that in mind. Suppose you've done a lot of work, you give it to the service center, very high chance that your warranty is going to get void. So be ready for these external factors and external costs. Secondly comes insurance. On paper, you're supposed to let the insurance company know that you've done this work on your car as soon as you do it, so that the insurance can change the premium. Because if you don't tell them, hopefully you don't meet with an accident, but in the case you do, there's a high chance that the company will not reimburse you because you have done extra work on the car, which may have caused other issues. So you need to tell the insurance company that, okay, I've done this, and then the premium changes accordingly. So keep that in mind. You don't have to, it's a personal choice, but these are factors which affects all these things. For example, what I have read is, suppose you do a stage 3 or you upgrade your turbo. If you upgrade your turbo, there's a chance that your premium will change by around 100-120%. So that's a lot. These are a lot of added costs. So keep that in mind, do your research and stay safe. So that's about it, guys. Good luck tuning your car. Please let us know if you have any car which you're tuning, or we would love to hear about it. Any project car that you're working on, we would love to hear about it. Send us a DM, drop a comment down below, whatever you'd like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram so you don't miss any updates. And thank you so much for tuning in. Cheers.